It was an unthinkable loss last summer. 4 members of a Long Island family killed by a driver on drugs. And now for the first time, we're hearing from the lead prosecutor in that case. She tells investigator Mahsa Saeidi a loophole in New York law made it difficult to charge this driver and is putting us all at risk.
August 6, 2023. First responders are trying to save the children trapped after a crash on Sunrise Highway. NASA prosecutor Katie Zizza describes the chaotic scene. 6 in this car.
On first glance, you didn't realize that there was actually a third row to that vehicle.
Only one in the other car.
Where's the medic?
Zizza says evidence showed driver Michael D'Angelo was high.
All right, we're going to help you out.
There's no question to maybe the general public that somebody who's surrounded by hypodermic needles and has track marks up and down his arms, that person was using drugs. But under the current law in New York State, that's not the only question. The question is what drug?
Due to a loophole in New York law, a driver can be seriously impaired by drugs and not be charged. Here's the catch-22. Judges have ruled you must name the drug before the arrest. But to name the drug, Zizza needed to test D'Angelo's blood, something she could only do legally after the arrest. Zizza says they couldn't charge D'Angelo with drug driving, and it mattered.
Drugged driving is what elevated all of the charges.
As I arrived to claim each and every one of my family members' bodies, I had to hold my son with his neck ripped open.
Toshiba Hamilton's family out for ice cream stopped at a red light. Video shows D'Angelo's car, like a missile, Zizza says, strike them.
They don't have another chance to breathe again. They're gone forever. I will never be okay.
Mahsa, what happened to the driver?
So the prosecutor here was able to devise a workaround, a way to charge this driver appropriately and ultimately to hold him accountable. You know, the story is so tragic when it happened. It was covered so extensively.
I remember it.
Yeah, but this is the first time that we're going behind the scenes and discovering what prosecutors had to do to get some sort of justice for this family. We'll show you how they were able to do it at 11 tonight and why so many people are calling for this loophole to be closed.
Okay, an important information. Thank you, Mahsa, and we'll see you at 11. If you have a story that you'd like Mahsa and our investigative team to dig into, scan the QR code there that you see on your screen.